Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of finance to explore the biggest stock exchanges in the world. These financial hubs play a critical role in the global economy, facilitating trade, investment, and economic growth. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly understand what a stock exchange is. A stock exchange is a marketplace where securities, such as stocks and bonds, are bought and sold. It's a crucial part of the financial ecosystem, enabling companies to raise capital and investors to make informed decisions. Segment 1. New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Our journey begins with the New York Stock Exchange, often referred to as the NYSE. Located on Wall Street in New York City, the NYSE is the largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization. Founded in 1792, the NYSE has a rich history. It lists many of the largest and most influential companies globally, including giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The total market capitalization of the NYSE exceeds $25 trillion, making it a powerhouse in the financial world. The NYSE is known for its stringent listing requirements and high standards, which provide investors with confidence in the stability and reliability of the companies listed there. The iconic opening and closing bells are also a significant part of its identity. Segment 2. Nasdaq. Next, we move on to Nasdaq, the second largest stock exchange in the world. Unlike the NYSE, Nasdaq operates entirely electronically, providing a unique and fast-paced trading environment. Founded in 1971, Nasdaq has become synonymous with technology and innovation. It hosts many tech giants, such as Google, Facebook, and Tesla. With a market capitalization of over $20 trillion, Nasdaq plays a pivotal role in the tech-driven segments of the economy. Nasdaq's electronic trading platform has revolutionized how we trade stocks. Its focus on tech companies has attracted a new generation of investors looking to capitalize on the growth of digital and technological advancements. Segment 3. Tokyo Stock Exchange, ZE. Heading over to Asia, the Tokyo Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange in Japan and the third largest in the world by market capitalization. Founded in 1878, the ZE lists major companies such as Toyota, Sony, and Mitsubishi. With a market capitalization of around $6 trillion, it is a key player in the Asian financial markets. The Tokyo Stock Exchange is crucial for both domestic and international investors. Japan's economy is one of the largest in the world, and the ZE provides a gateway for investing in its diverse industries, from automotive to electronics. Segment 4. Shanghai Stock Exchange, SSE. Our next stop is the Shanghai Stock Exchange in China, one of the fastest-growing stock exchanges globally. Established in 1990, it has quickly risen to become the fourth largest by market capitalization. The SSE lists many of China's largest companies, including PetroChina, ICBC, and China Mobile. Its market capitalization is around $5 trillion, reflecting China's rapid economic growth and development. The Shanghai Stock Exchange is at the heart of China's economic expansion. It offers unique opportunities for investors looking to tap into the growth of one of the world's most dynamic economies. Segment 5. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, HKEX. Next, we have the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, a major financial hub in Asia. Established in 1891, HKEX is the fifth largest stock exchange in the world. With a market capitalization of around $4.5 trillion, HKEX plays a significant role in connecting international investors with Chinese companies. Major listings include Tencent, Alibaba, and the Hong Kong and China Gas Company. Hong Kong's strategic location and regulatory framework make it an attractive destination for companies looking to access global capital. KEX's ability to bridge east and west is unparalleled. Segment 6. Euronext. Crossing over to Europe, Euronext is a pan-European stock exchange with locations in Amsterdam, Brussels, Dublin, Lisbon, Milan, Oslo, and Paris. It's the largest stock exchange in Europe. Founded in 2000 through the merger of several European exchanges, Euronext has a market capitalization of around $4 trillion. It lists major companies like Airbus, L'Oreal, and Heineken. Euronext's integrated model allows for seamless trading across multiple European markets, providing investors with access to a diverse range of industries and companies. Segment 7. London Stock Exchange, LSE. Next, we visit the London Stock Exchange, one of the oldest stock exchanges in the world, established in 1801. The LSE has a market capitalization of around $3.7 trillion, hosting companies like BP, HSBC, and Unilever. It is a cornerstone of the global financial system. The LSE has a long history of facilitating global trade and investment. Its resilience and adaptability have kept it relevant through centuries of economic change. Segment 8. Shenzhen Stock Exchange, SCSE. Back to China, the Shenzhen Stock Exchange is another major player. Established in 1990, it focuses on small and medium-sized enterprises and high-tech companies. With a market capitalization of around $3.5 trillion, SCSE lists companies such as Ping An Insurance, China Vanke, and BYD. It is an essential platform for innovation and entrepreneurship in China. The SCSE supports China's burgeoning tech sector, offering investors access to some of the most innovative companies in the market. These stock exchanges are more than just marketplaces. They're the engines of economic growth, innovation, and wealth creation. From New York to Shanghai, each exchange has its unique characteristics and contributions to the global economy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the biggest stock exchanges in the world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of finance. See you next time.